Hi guys, it's Miss Brown again in biology. Now, I want to talk to you a little bit about this chart and these organic compounds, and we've talked about them, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. And these are all things that you've heard of and you know about. But how does this all work? We talked about the basic monomer, like the basic monomer of carbohydrates is glucose, and the basic monomer of lipids are fatty acid chains. So how exactly does all this work? Well, I want you to go to the back of your chart, and I have two diagrams I've stuck on there for you. And I want to look at the top one, and on your paper it says examples of A, condensation. But up there beside A, picture A, the top picture, I want you to draw an arrow off to the left, and we're going to write what's going on there. I'm going to go ahead and pop that up here. So what's happening here is bonds are forming. So your body's taking these simple sugars and putting them together into a different kind of carbohydrate that you may need in your body. So that's called dehydration synthesis. I want you to write that down. And what can help you remember this is dehydrate. You lose water. It involves removing water, and it results in joining basic monomer units to form larger polymers. So this is what happens when you put the simple pieces of these organic compounds together to make longer, bigger macromolecules. So write that down with an arrow over there to A, that top picture. You don't have to memorize this picture, but I want you to be able to recognize one. Okay? Now, the bottom one is exactly the opposite. It's what we call hydrolysis. It adds water and it breaks the big things down into smaller pieces. So remember, hydro means water, adds water. So that's picture B on your diagram. So draw a little arrow to the side and write that hydrolysis means water and to split, and it involves adding water, and it results in breaking large polymers into basic monomer subunits. So get those things written down on the back of your chart so you'll understand how they work in living things. Thank you.